How to lose belly fat. Belly fat can feel stubborn, but the good news? You can tackle it. Shedding belly fat isn't about quick fixes, it's about simple, sustainable habits. Stick around, and we'll show you how to lose belly fat the healthy way, even if you're just starting out. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Add lean protein, fruits, veggies, and whole grains to your plate. These foods fuel your body, keep you full, and help burn fat naturally. Swap sugary drinks for water or green tea to cut hidden calories. Small changes make a big difference. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Walking, planks, and beginner core exercises are perfect for newcomers. Aim for 20-30 minutes a few times a week. Focus on consistency over perfection. It's better to move a little every day than to do nothing at all. Stress triggers belly fat. Practice relaxing habits like deep breathing or short meditations. Sleep is another belly fat buster. Poor sleep disrupts hormones, leading to weight gain. Aim for 7-8 hours nightly to support your health and fitness goals. Ready to take the first step? Pick one tip today. Add a healthy snack, take a 10-minute walk, or set a bedtime routine. Remember, every small effort adds up over time. Like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips. Let's tackle this journey together. You've got this.